Here I have the VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and after that screenshot will be taken immediately. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time, power key, volume down. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots section, in camera section actually. So yeah, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, search them with Lens, and also perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.